In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a pop-up onto your hosting or website using a third-party service. Let's start by creating the pop-up itself using a trusted third-party platform. Head over to the website of a service that specializes in creating pop-ups. One such option is Common Ninja, known for its user-friendly interface and flexible customization options. Once you're on their site, look for the What's New pop-up widget. This is an excellent choice if you want to keep your visitors updated with the latest information in an engaging manner. Click on the Create button to get started and take advantage of the editor provided to tailor the pop-up exactly to your needs. You'll have the ability to modify the content, tweak its appearance, and set specific display rules to determine when and where it will be shown on your site. If you haven't already, you'll need to register for an account. This is usually a straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After you're satisfied with your design and settings, ensure you save your changes. Navigate to your dashboard and locate the Add to Website button, which will generate an embed code for you. Copy this code. It's crucial for integrating your pop-up onto your hosting or site. Now that we have the embed code, let's move on to adding it to your hosting or site. Begin by opening the hosting or website builder and entering the editor. The editor is where all the magic happens, allowing you to manage and customize your website's layout and functionality. Look for the section labeled Add Elements or something similar. This is your toolbox for adding various features and integrations to your pages. From here, select the Embed Code element. This element is essential as it will act as the container for your pop-up code. Next, drag and drop this Embed Code element onto the specific part of your web page where you want the pop-up to appear. Consider the placement carefully to ensure it complements your design and remains easily visible to your visitors. You might need to resize and reposition this element to fit your pop-up content perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the placement, click on the Enter Code or Edit Code button within the embed element. Here, you'll paste the embed code you copied earlier from the third-party service. After pasting the code, apply it by clicking Embed Code or a similar button that your editor provides. This action prompts the hosting or builder to recognize and display your pop-up as configured. Lastly, don't forget one of the most important steps. Save your changes and publish them to make your pop-up live. By doing so, your visitors will now see this pop-up whenever they visit your site, ensuring they're greeted with the latest updates or information. And there you have it. With these steps, you've effectively added a customizable pop-up to your hosting or website, enhancing both its functionality and visitor engagement. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.